Hey everyone, so in today's tutorial we'll be doing some easy birthday decorations. So if you're new to our channel, do subscribe our channel and hit the ring bell for the future notifications of new videos. So let's get started and make our first DIY, that is invitation card. So moving to our second DIY, that is paper bag for return gift. So to decorate our paper bag, we'll be using these doily paper frock, which I've already mentioned you how to make it in the card DIY. So this is how you can stick these doily paper on the bag. So moving on to our third DIY, that is photo frame. So once the base is done, we'll be sticking red paper all over on the frame. And now we'll be making flowers. We'll be taking 3 colors, pink, orange and red. So the measurement of the first flower should be 10 by 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter. This is going to be in the bottom of the flower. So you just have to fold it. I am taking 3 papers. You can take 1 only and then fold it. So our base flowers are ready. They are going to look like this. Now we'll take different color, and this is orange and the measurement is 8 centimeter by 8 centimeter again, because this is going to be on the top of that pink flower, so the size should be little smaller. And the smallest flower measurement should be 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters. This is going to be on the top and the color is red. So this is how they're going to look, and we are going to stick it with the glue. So moving on to our fourth DIY, that is 3D number 4. For this we need cardboard and we'll be making number 4, and after that we'll be sticking the flowers on the number 4. So once this part is done, we'll be taking some stone and we'll be filling all those heavy stones, and then we'll stick number 4 on that. The reason I'm putting stone inside the 4 so that we can make our numbers stand. And let's make fan flowers. This is also one of my favorite flower techniques. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you've learned something new from this video. So if you are new to our channel, do subscribe our channel and watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.